In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So if you want to copy and paste something like, for example, a web address or some text in a message, what you're going to want to do first is locate the text that you want to copy. So I'm actually going to open up the Notes app. You can see I've got some text here, which I'm going to be copying in today's tutorial. Now to go ahead and copy the text, the first thing you're going to want to do is press and hold anywhere onto the text itself. What's going to happen, you're going to get a menu come up like this. What you want to do is go ahead and select all. And then what you can do is move these kind of symbols at the start and the beginning of the text to see how much text you want to copy. Then go ahead and press copy on the next menu that comes up. Once you've done that, what you can do is paste this wherever you want. So for example, I can come down, and then what we can do is press and hold to bring up the menu. And from here, you just simply want to go ahead and press paste. And once you've done that, as you can see, we can copy and paste the text. So that is how to copy and paste on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.